Ever found yourself staring at your screen, wondering how to get your hands on some Bitcoin without dealing with a million different apps or platforms? What if you could manage your regular bank account and your crypto wallet from the exact same place, with the exact same debit card? That's what we're talking about today. You've probably heard about Bitwala, the platform that's been making waves for combining traditional banking with the world of crypto. It's a bank account that comes with an integrated Bitcoin wallet and a debit card that lets you spend both euros and crypto. The best part? You can send Bitcoin to anyone, anywhere, right from that same account. It's a game changer, and it's a lot simpler than you might think. Here's the step-by-step guide to sending Bitcoin using your Bitwala account. Step 1. Log in and navigate to your Bitcoin wallet. First things first, open up your Bitwala app or log in on your desktop. Once you're in, you'll see your different accounts. You want to go to your Bitcoin wallet. It's pretty easy to spot, just look for the Bitcoin logo. Step 2. Initiate the transfer. Once you're in your Bitcoin wallet, you'll see a few options. To send Bitcoin, you'll need to hit the send button. This will open up the transaction screen. Step 3. Enter the recipient's address. This is a crucial step, so pay close attention. You'll need the recipient's Bitcoin address. This is a long string of letters and numbers that starts with either a 1, A3, or BC1. It's like an email address for crypto. The easiest way to do this is to copy and paste the address directly from the recipient. If they have a QR code, you can use your phone's camera to scan it, which is the most foolproof method to avoid any typos. Seriously, double-check this address. A single wrong character means your Bitcoin will be sent to the wrong place, and there's no way to get it back. Step 4. Choose the amount. Next, you'll enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can either type in the amount of Bitcoin directly, like 0.001 BTC, or enter the amount in euros, and Bitwala will automatically calculate the equivalent Bitcoin value for you. This feature is super handy because it lets you think in a currency you're more familiar with. Step 5. Review and confirm. Before the final send, Bitwala will show you a summary of your transaction. This is your last chance to check all the details. Look at the recipient's address one more time, confirm the amount, and check the transaction fees. Bitwala's fees are typically pretty competitive, but it's always good to be aware of them. The fee is what pays the Bitcoin miners to process your transaction and add it to the blockchain. The higher the fee, the faster your transaction will likely be processed. Once you're confident everything is correct, you'll need to confirm the transaction. This might involve a PIN, a password, or a biometric scan, depending on your security settings. Step 6, the transaction is sent. And that's it. Once you confirm, your Bitcoin transaction is broadcast to the network. It won't show up instantly in the recipient's wallet, it needs to be confirmed by the Bitcoin network first. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on how busy the network is. You can track the status of your transaction right in your Bitwala app. See? It's not so intimidating after all. By integrating a Bitcoin wallet directly into a traditional bank account, Bitwala removes a ton of the complexity and friction that often comes with using crypto. It makes sending Bitcoin feel as simple as making a regular bank transfer. It's a perfect example of how banking is evolving to meet the needs of a more connected, digital world. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.